big jackpot. I'll even pick carry. Not gonna be big. It's gonna be the dress. Maybe I could pick like I did in the last one, huh?
Yeah, pick it off. Go.
All right, let's get started. Select who will match their outfit.
Good job. That's who I would have picked.
Oh, my favorite, Carrie.
What's Charlotte gonna be? All right, good.
You are the most fabulous.
You don't want to pick this time either?
I don't want to pick it. Oh.
Select a mirror. You sure do know how to pick them.
You went down.
Congratulations.
I didn't go down because that's what I did last time, remember?
And you should have. You would have gone through the 10x.
Oh well.
Don't change your pattern.
Hey, kid, that was well done.
Yeah. So I think this is my third spin. Come on. Better. Of course, it's minimum bet on dimes, so no giant values, but I'm hoping. That for now. Should I get some more? So that wasn't too many more in. Come on, ball, chips, poker chips. I don't remember if I could touch it every time. Case of chips. That's good. 125 right there. Here's my last bonus. Yes. Keep it going. Awesome though. We're in 70, I think. Yay! Day is turned around. Hey. Come on. Yes! Not as good. Come on. Not the lady. Case of chips. 320. 650. That is awesome. Anything. Yes. I'll be a couple extra. No. I haven't played this and got them 3 spins with every trigger in forever, so I don't remember. 3 more. Alright. Let's go. Come on. good corner. I mean, I guess it's a $5 bet on me, but. Three more. Oh, 12 games. I'm not winning anything though. Chips. Yes. $25 chips though. Like the big one I had earlier. Seeing that minor. $70. $70, I can go moving on. Right.
Okay, kid. Cut.
Yes, stop.
It's the ring.
I know.
How do you not know where it is?
I know. I just told you. That's okay. We can take it.
What did the ring look like?
Well,
Hey, who has the $100
That's the other
on the
thing.
ring?
Open one of the jewelry boxes to receive the fabulous credits inside.
Who cares? Last one, you go. You're not going?
Make another selection.
If you want to pick me.
Okay. I don't care. Do you care?
No.
That's a good one. The highest one. No, there was an 8.
Third highest. Holy cow.
No, a lot of big ones. This is the one that counts.
It's time to choose.
Oh, man, I was gonna pick that.
Who will match their outfit?
Like who will match their outfit? What hoe? Pick a hoe.
The hot hoe. Oh
You've
yeah.
chosen Charlie.
Hot hoe it is.
I love how you think she's hot.
She's the hot of the 4 of them.
None of them are hot.
Maybe what's her face was hot like 30 years ago
Yeah,
in that
Kim
movie
Cattrall.
we watched. No.
No.
Choose
She
a
was never hot.
Oh, honeymoon Venus. Yes.
Yes.
She was. Super hot.
That's not Kim Cattrall. That's
No, there's
You sure do know how to bake.
here. Am I doing it?
Isn't this great?
Congratulations,
400?
you found a match.
I think it's this one. No, that
Oh, I
would
would've had 300.
Yeah, get on getting to the 10x though. That's
Great
awesome.
bonus. I love it.
$4 bet.
It's time to celebrate.
party.